Today is Gourmet Weight Loss Day. Janet will give us a very enticing topic. Go ahead, Janet.
Janet here from the Obesity Prevention Center, Gourmet Weight Loss, mastering the art of balanced diets for all ages. Embracing culinary delights on the path to weight loss. Let's be real, when most of us hear gourmet cooking, we think of decadent dishes full of butter and cream. And weight loss makes us think of choking down boring salads and flavorless diet foods. But here's the awesome truth. You totally can enjoy delicious gourmet meals and still reach your weight loss goals. The key is finding that sweet spot between flavor and nutrition. With a little creativity in the kitchen and some basic nutrition know-how, you can transform simple ingredients into mouth-watering gourmet creations that just happen to be good for you too. Instead of feeling deprived, you get to discover new flavors and textures while shedding pounds. Now that's a win-win. Ditch the idea that healthy eating has to be boring. Gourmet cooking can absolutely be part of a balanced diet and lifestyle if you keep an open mind. Let's embark on a journey of culinary delight that helps you look and feel your best. The first step is breaking the misconception that gourmet cuisine is all about rich, heavy dishes piled high with butter, cream, and fat. While some traditional French techniques may rely on these ingredients, gourmet cooking has evolved enormously. Today, it focuses on bringing out complex flavors through quality ingredients, global influences, innovative preparations, and artful presentation. Gourmet meals emphasize fresh, seasonal produce, responsibly raised proteins, and thoughtfully sourced ingredients to create one-of-a-kind taste sensations. With this understanding, preparing gourmet dishes that also facilitate weight loss is absolutely achievable. While fried, fatty fare may taste delicious initially, the heaviness and guilt set in once overindulged. Achieving satisfying gourmet flavor through lighter cooking methods and more wholesome ingredients provides enjoyment both in the moment and long term. Your energy levels rise, your digestion improves, and your palate celebrates. So how do we really embrace this idea of gourmet nutrition? It requires a mindset shift from viewing healthy food as restrictive and boring to seeing it as an opportunity for culinary creativity and delight. Forget tiny portions of steamed tilapia. We're talking succulent salmon with mango salsa, hearty lentil and kale stews, and decadent dark chocolate avocado mousse. Life is simply too short to eat mediocre food. When you open your mind to the possibilities, you can craft menus filled with colorful produce, top-quality lean proteins, ancient grains, spices, herbs, and other real foods that tantalize your taste buds while trimming your waistline. You control exactly what goes into each dish, making smart substitutions when needed to cut excess fat, sugar, and sodium without sacrificing an ounce of flavor. It's empowering, educational, and deliciously rewarding. So ditch the diet mentality of restriction and sacrifice. Healthy gourmet cooking celebrates abundance, variety, and exquisite tastes. The only diet is one rich in whole, nourishing foods that help you look and feel your absolute best. Get ready to embrace the culinary delights that await you on the gourmet path to weight loss. Savoring nutrient-rich creations. The foundation of gourmet weight loss is emphasizing dishes packed with nutrients, but not crazy amounts of calories. This means loading up on healthful whole foods like fresh produce, lean protein, whole grains, and good fats. With some skillful cooking, you can turn basic ingredients into totally scrumptious gourmet meals. Take quinoa, for example. This awesome whole grain has lots of fiber, protein, and key vitamins and minerals. When roasted inside bell peppers, it transforms into a hearty, delicious main dish. And chicken breast is usually pretty lean, but marinate it in herbs, garlic, lemon, and olive oil, and you've got yourself some gourmet goodness. Grilled chicken served over tangy arugula with balsamic dressing is a party for your taste buds. The focus should be coaxing maximum flavor out of quality whole foods, not relying on boatloads of salt, sugar, or grease. With some creativity and smart meal planning, the possibilities for nutritious gourmet dishes are endless. Time to start experimenting in the kitchen. Here are some tips for emphasizing nutrient density in your recipes. Load up on vegetables and fruit. They deliver fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and more. Get creative with colors and textures. Don't just stick with salad. Roast Brussels sprouts or zucchini, make ratatouille, add berries to salads and salsa. Choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, barley, farro, and oats. They provide satiating fiber, protein, and complex carbs. Incorporate them into pilafs, risottos, stuffing, and more. Embrace lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and tofu. Prepare using healthy cooking methods like steaming, grilling, baking, or stir-frying in a nonstick pan. Don't fear healthy fats. Salmon, avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil deliver essential fatty acids and help absorb key nutrients. just be mindful of portions. Herbs, spices, citrus, vinegars, and aromatics like garlic and ginger are your low-calorie flavor friends. Use liberally in marinades, dressings, and dishes. Water provides hydration without calories. Infuse it with fruit, cucumber, herbs for brightness. With some basic nutrition knowledge, you can whip up an array of nourishing, crave-worthy gourmet dishes that promote weight loss. Time to get creative with wholesome ingredients. Finding satisfaction in every bite. Here's a little secret. True satisfaction doesn't come from eating giant portions or rich foods loaded with fat and calories. It comes from savoring perfectly portioned, balanced meals that hit the spot without stuffing you to the gills. This is where mindful eating comes in clutch. Instead of scarfing down food distracted, take time to slow down and enjoy each bite. Tune into your body's signals of satisfaction. Thoughtfully craft meals with contrasting textures, colors, and flavors that tantalize your senses. For example, a light and bright zucchini noodle dish tossed in garlicky olive oil feels totally indulgent. And just a few bites of fresh fruit dipped in dark chocolate makes for a decadent dessert. When you take time to prepare and savor nourishing gourmet dishes, you can feel completely satisfied on way fewer calories. A little kitchen creativity goes a long way. Here are some tips for mindful, satisfying gourmet eating. Dine without distractions. No TV, phones, or computer. Focus on enjoying the food. Start meals with a local soup or salad to prevent overeating. Chew slowly, putting utensils down between bites. Let flavors develop. Sip water frequently to cleanse palate and prevent mindless eating. Stop eating when you feel 80% full. Allow 20 minutes for fullness signals. If still hungry after a light meal, fill up on low-cal veggies or broth-based soup. Make one night a week date night, create an appetizing gourmet meal to savor. For sweet cravings, dark chocolate, dipped berries, or fruit sorbets hit the spot. Learning to prepare and enjoy gourmet dishes mindfully is crucial. You don't have to eliminate your favorite comfort foods, just shift your approach for better portion control and satisfaction. Reinventing comfort foods for fitness. Depriving yourself of comforting treats like pizza, fries, and chocolate can make losing weight feel impossible. But with simple ingredient swaps and cooking tweaks, you can enjoy lighter versions of your fave indulgent foods. Instead of dough, make mini cauliflower crust pizzas piled with veggies. Bake oven fries tossed in just a bit of olive oil instead of deep frying. Blend avocado and cocoa powder into a lush chocolate mousse for a fraction of the fat and calories. With basic nutrition knowledge and culinary imagination, you can reinvent comfort classics into nourishing gourmet delights. Don't avoid the foods you love. Learn to make them in a healthier way. It may take some trial and error, but I promise, the delicious results are so worth it. Here are some tips for recreating comfort foods the gourmet healthy way. Make veggie noodles from zucchini, squash, sweet potato. Great low-carb pasta swap. Try cauliflower rice, mashed or pizza crust instead of starchy carbs. Bulk up burgers and meatloaf with finely chopped mushrooms, lentils, or oats. Bake sweet potato fries or kale chips tossed lightly in avocado oil instead of frying. Whip avocado, banana, or tofu into smoothies or shakes for creaminess. Make raw energy balls with dates, nuts, coconut, cacao nibs to fix chocolate cravings. Use natural nut butters and Greek yogurt to make luscious fruit or chocolate dips. Don't deprive yourself of cravings. Learn to DIY healthier versions of comfort foods to satisfy the urge with more nutrition. With some creative kitchen alchemy, you can still enjoy all the flavors and textures you love in a better-for-you way. From kids to seniors, adapting gourmet diets. While gourmet nutrition can benefit anyone looking to improve their diet, it's important to tailor meal plans based on age. Kids, adults, and seniors all have unique nutritional needs. To fuel their growth and activity, kids do well with balanced dishes like whole grain turkey meatballs with pasta and veggies. Focus on getting in their daily requirements for protein, calcium, iron, vitamin D, and fiber with kid-friendly recipes. Adults should emphasize complex carbs, fiber, and healthy fats while limiting sugar. Think baked salmon and quinoa pilaf. Portions likely need to be controlled to maintain a healthy weight. Seniors often need more protein but fewer calories overall. Bean and veggie soup or egg white quich with low-fat cheese make nutritious gourmet choices. Special attention may be required to meet vitamin, mineral, and fiber needs. The key is understanding different requirements across generations and adjusting recipes and textures accordingly. With some thoughtful planning, people of all ages can savor delicious, nourishing gourmet meals tailored to their needs. Here are some tips for adapting gourmet cooking in different life stages. Kids, get kids involved in meal planning and cooking to encourage better eating habits. Make healthy food fun. create cute fruit faces, veggie animals, or spinach pancakes cut into fun shapes. Introduce new flavors and textures gradually. Try mixing small amounts of veggies into their favorite dishes like pasta, soups, or smoothies. Serve new foods with a favored dip or sauce to increase acceptance. Adults, meal prep part of your weekly menu to have ready-to-go healthy meals and prevent takeout. Pack leftovers for grab-and-go-work lunches to control portions. Grill, roast, or sear lean proteins and veggies on weekends for easy weeknight meals. Use healthy meal delivery kits for new recipe inspiration and convenience. Seniors, focus on high protein and high fiber options to keep energy levels up and hunger at bay. Add sauces or gravies for moisture if chewing or swallowing is difficult. Dice, chop, or puree foods into smaller pieces for easy eating. Stay hydrated and consume at least 5 servings of produce each day. With age-appropriate adaptations, everyone can discover the pleasures of wholesome gourmet cuisine that meets their unique nutritional needs. Get creative in the kitchen for your family. The palate-pleasing path to sustainable weight loss. Here's the awesome part. When you learn to combine nutrition and culinary excellence, healthy eating and weight loss don't have to be a bland sacrifice. As you discover new ingredients, cooking methods, and flavor combos, food transforms from monotonous fuel into a source of joy along your fitness journey. While revamping your recipes takes some effort up front, the taste, bud-pleasing results make gourmet weight loss feel effortless and sustainable. You gain an appreciation for wholesome dishes that leave you feeling satisfied from the inside out. So embrace your inner gourmet chef, nourish your body with delicious balanced meals, and relish this lifelong adventure of culinary delight and weight management.
Thank you, Janet, for the health and weight loss tips. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Our newsletter is also available for latest updates, special offers, and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.